Did you know that your gut health can impact everything from your immune system to your mood? That's right. A happy gut means a happier, healthier you. In today's video, we're diving into quick hacks to improve your gut health, with foods and supplements that make a real difference. Stick around till the end for a gut-friendly recipe you can start using today. 1. Understanding the gut-brain connection. Our gut is often called our second brain because it communicates directly with our brain through a complex network of nerves and chemicals. This connection can impact everything from our mood to our mental clarity. When your gut health is compromised, it can lead to symptoms like anxiety, brain fog, and even depression. So, keeping your gut in check isn't just about digestion, it's also about feeling your best mentally. 2. Top foods for gut health. Fermented foods. Let's talk about fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut. These foods are rich in probiotics, the good bacteria that help balance your gut microbiome. Including a serving of fermented food each day can improve digestion and boost your immune system. Fiber-rich foods. Fiber is your gut's best friend. Foods like oats, apples, and leafy greens are high in fiber, which feeds the good bacteria in your gut and helps maintain a balanced environment. Bone broth. Bone broth is loaded with amino acids and collagen, which can help heal the gut lining. A cup of bone broth a day can be soothing and healing, especially if you're dealing with gut issues like bloating or inflammation. 3. Essential supplements for gut health. Probiotics. Taking a probiotic supplement is a simple way to add more beneficial bacteria to your gut. Look for a high-quality, multi-strain probiotic to support a healthy microbiome and improve digestion. Prebiotics. While probiotics add good bacteria, prebiotics feed them. Supplements or foods high in prebiotics, like garlic, onions, and bananas, give your good bacteria the fuel they need to thrive. Digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes can be particularly helpful if you're experiencing bloating or discomfort after meals. These supplements help break down food more efficiently, allowing your gut to absorb nutrients better. 4th, gut-friendly lifestyle tips. Stress management. Believe it or not, stress can wreak havoc on your gut health. Taking time to practice stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or even a short walk can significantly improve digestion and gut balance. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is key to gut health, as it helps keep things moving through your digestive system. 5. Easy gut-boosting recipe. And as promised, here's a simple gut-friendly smoothie recipe. Combine a cup of kefir, a handful of spinach, half a banana, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. This smoothie is packed with probiotics, fiber, and nutrients that support your gut. Try it out and see how much better you feel with just one gut-friendly change in your routine. So there you have it, a few simple hacks to support a happy, healthy gut. Remember, taking care of your gut is an investment in your overall well-being. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. And let us know in the comments if you're planning to try any of these gut-friendly foods or supplements.